there, I'm Carol Murray, and I'd like to talk to you about my program called Does Your Business Have Bounce? When you dribble a basketball, the hope is it's going to come right back up in your hands. When you throw out advertising messages to the public, the hope is that it's going to rebound back to you and it's going to end up with you creating a client relationship that will ultimately finalize in a transaction where you will earn some money. Yes, that is called Marketing 101. Well, this program, we take a look at the entire atmosphere related to marketing and how you can create a strategic brand where the public really gets a sense of understanding who you are and what it is that you do. So my hope is, as you join this program, you're going to interact with other sales associates like you that are having the challenges of dealing with an ever-changing marketplace, taking a look at a way that we hand out our brand to the public and how we can utilize video, the media, podcasting, and also our image to the greatest impact of all, which means that we assist and inform our customers and clients who we are in advance. So once we actually shake their hands, they've got an idea as to who we are, and they're already 90% inclined to work with us. Does your business have bounce? Let's find out. Join me. And this is Carol Murray, signing off.